Good morning, and this is a topic by Paul of how to avoid being scammed, being a Maxim delivery rider. Yep, if you're a Maxim delivery rider, kindly avoid catering. What's this? Kindly avoid catering more than 1,000.
Dapat ako, I advise you na ang gamitin mo lang na kapital is 1,000 pesos.
Yan, that's a good advice.
Ganito kasi yan.
Because
Kadalasan kasi ng mga scammer,
most of the
is
scammers, more than 2,000 or more than 1,000 pesos.
if ever na-scam ka, 1,000 pesos ay maliit lang kumpara sa 3,000.
Also be aware of that there's a nationwide scammer existing in Maxim Taxi app, and he utilizes Maxim and Taxi apps accordingly, simultaneously monitoring new riders, and he also has credits to Paul, but be advised that this scammer is I'm not saying that Paul is a scammer. I'm saying he made a vlog regarding the scammer. I'm saying that there is an existing scammer nationwide that victimize new Maxim riders. The modus is that you will pin the post on 7-Eleven, and then he will ask you to buy some things there like fresh milk and other things. Then on the middle, they will tell you in the mid stop, there is a mid stop or something, like they will also send he will transact you via Facebook Messenger and ask you pictures of busog meals. Then he will send a barcode, a grab order barcode, and will send you to say that you pay for it. After you pay for it, the scammer will not be contacted. He will block you, and that's the time you know that you were scammed. So for newbies, cater CODs less than 1,000 pesos. Always remember that. Okay? At the Maxim deliveries, also for newbies, attend orientation before going to delivery or going in delivery actions. Credits to Paul for doing this vlog. I'm just reinforcing his vlog.